Finally, Mano doing something. Quiero rozarme en tus labios y ser tu castillo. No, hey, pig. You make me cry the other day. You kick my ass.
That's the other good thing about RDB shoes. They hurt.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, the truck
No,
is coming.
This
Come on,
guy,
bro.
look, telling something to
He's
you.
not doing anything. Just do it.
No, yeah, for you, no.
How do you want me to get in?
Well, I need to close it, yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
you want to
cool.
start it?
Yes, I'm
We
gonna
could
start
just-
it. No, I don't want to start. I need to get inside because I need to connect to the
Oh,
Bluetooth.
you want to little that?
This car is not for fat people. Hey, I think the battery's dead.
No. I just started. Push a brake, push a couple times. You know.
I understand. I'm telling you, the battery's dead.
No.
It's clicking here.
Yeah. Push a brake.
I am. What am I pressing?
Okay. Push a brake.
I am pushing it.
Push the button. Hold it.
Okay.
Put it again. Hold it.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's the key? I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you to realize that the
I
car.
thought I put it over there in the console.
I thought.
I put it on the console.
Okay, look how it's gonna start now. Look.
Sorry.
All right, guys, something very special here. Actually, two special things. Two McLarens. This is a 765LT, and that's a 720S. That is a wide body. Full carbon fiber body pretty much on that one. 1016 Industries. Both of them actually feature the 1016 Industries carbon fiber hood. The 765LT doesn't have much aftermarket products out there yet. We're waiting for that. We have a set of Novatec springs on order to lower it, so please don't mind a little bit of wheel gap on this one. But look at the color. It's that now famous army green color, the Shalizi green. We did it on his 720 with that full kit on there, if you guys recall that. Really, really crazy. This is now the 765 version of that car. He sold that car. So this car fully wrapped. All the black accents you see on there, we painted. This car didn't have all that carbon fiber on the outside. Unfortunately, it had that gray color accent, so we went ahead and painted all of it gloss black. There was a lot of pieces. It's almost an entire car other than the door and the quarters. So a lot of paint work on this one, but absolutely beautiful car. We ordered an exhaust system for it, the springs, and anything that comes out on the market, we will be surely doing it on this 765. Right there is that 720S full carbon fiber body. I mean, literally everything is carbon fiber. It's ridiculous. You guys already saw us film that a little bit. We went ahead and pretty much fixed everything that needed to be fixed on it. We also installed the new 1016 Industries roof scoop. So it's got a roof scoop on there as well. Cleaned it up. Body lines match really nice now. And it's a great looking car. This is going to head to Gold Rush Rally, actually. You'll see a lot of press on that. After that, who knows, it might come back. I really want to see that car in a full-blown flashy color. I think that would look incredible as well. But yeah, that thing is a beast. Let us know what you guys would choose. Would you choose a carbon fiber 720S wide body, or would you go with like a almost stock 765LT? Both awesome cars. I really love that big wing in the back of that car. But yeah, let us know which one you guys choose. Proof that Sarkis doesn't do anything. We'll just act like he does stuff. But Sarkis doesn't do anything. He's eating. He's eating a peach. Where did he get a peach from?
As one of the example is this box. Vic put this box there. He didn't even say anything, so nobody was gonna do this. You see? Here. This has to go out.
Weren't you the one that lost brakes for a car?
I didn't lose brakes.
Where is it?
It was outside.
It was,
on the
right?
couch. Yeah. Who moved it? I don't know.
What's the keyword? Was, right? So where is it? You're calling us knuckleheads, but you're the one that lost brakes, and we already paid for it.
I'm dealing with
You're the knucklehead.
I'm dealing with two knuckleheads, and I need help.
Hey, you guys are laughing, but we're dead. You know that, right?
You're the one that lost the brakes.
You have to pay for it out of your paycheck.
Whatever his
We'll
name
pay
is.
for the brakes only if me and Vic can drive your Camry for 2 weeks. Can we have your Camry for 2 weeks?
Sure.
Why don't you film the shit he messes up? You always film the good stuff.
I didn't messed up anything. Oh, doesn't need it.
You just slammed the carbon fiber piece on the wall.
Yeah.
And they only film the good stuff.
Yay!
They don't film the stuff he messes up.
Ah, I have to cut over here. Anyways.
It's not being you broke that part.
No, because this one, bro, is this piece.
Careful. You
Go.
keep hitting the car.
This piece go.
Instead of that?
We have to uninstall this one. And this one go. Tengo que quitar esta pieza.
Carbon on the floor.
Okay, good job. It defeats everything. We have a lot of kit parts for this car.
Okay, but
That's the point. The Aventador S Roadster. This car actually belonged to Lil Baby before. You'll see it on his Instagram. My customer bought it. He hates the way it looked. Already have wheels here. Go get the wheel. It's one on the floor at the shop, the silver one.
Yes,
you
sir.
have 35 seconds. Real time right now, Luis is going to the front to get the wheel. Show you guys really cool wheels. But anyways, we're gonna wrap this in a baby blue color. It's gonna be baby blue. We're adding a full 1016 Industries carbon fiber kit. As you can see, there's a side skirt, there's a diffuser. We have the whole kit with hood, front lip. The side skirt has another big carbon piece, the wing. So a lot of stuff going on it. So full body kit, new custom RDB wheels. It's gonna be lowered. It already has an exhaust system, so it's loud. It's gonna be really cool colorway with the body kit and everything on there. So we're super excited. But anyways, look at that car right there. That's a gray wide body Urus. That's our cameraman Joe falling down almost. We don't film too often inside here because, like I said, Joe's very clumsy. So that's a gray Urus wide body. Don't look at the wheels. They're a little bit bunky. We didn't choose that. Those are gonna get changed by the customer. That's going to Arizona. That's a painted wide body kit. And here is Luis. That took about 40 seconds. Boom, look at that. So picture it. Baby blue carbon fiber body kit and these wheels right here. Sick.
Like it?
That's the back wheel. Step lip, retro series, RDB style. It's gonna be really cool. So
No, let's just lock him in here.
Hey!
Hey, come on.
Get up! Get up!
Don't let him go. Make a bed. You open it. He's sitting on the floor.
Come on.
Open it. He's sitting on the floor. Look. Straight up.
Hey!
Oh, he's gone. Hey, we lost Moses.
Moses. Moses, like,
he's on the phone, bro.
He's buying properties while he's locked in here.
don't hit my friend.
Who's your friend?
Javier.
Okay, let me tell you something. Nobody cares about Javier.
You, because he's not your friend. You're
Javier is
the
my
boss.
friend. You know when Javier was sick, I took his paycheck to his house and I gave it to him.
Yeah, but you discount the hour in Smith.
No, I took his paycheck and I gave it to him because he was too sick to come to work and pick it up.
Stop breaking stuff on the car.
That too.
You,
you break
you
too
do
much stuff.
something. You do something.
I manage you. That's all enough.
That's all you do, huh? Yeah. Ah.